So long guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and today I am with another problem from Coding Bat website. So today's program is Front22. So let's see what it says. Given a string, take the first two characters and return the string with two characters added at both the front and back. So key10 yields key10 with ki added in the front and back of the string. So it is same as the back and front, maybe, if I'm not wrong, or back around maybe problem it was. It is same as that problem, and there we added one single string, or sorry, one single character in front and after the string, and here we have to add two characters. If the string length is less than 2, use whatever characters are there. Means if the string character is less than 2, then we have to use whatever character the string contains. If the character is only a single character, then we have to take the single character and add the single character and at the front and at the back of the string. So with that said, let's start with the program. We are taking a variable that is front to hold the first two characters of the string, and now we will check if the string is less than 2 or what. See, the string length is less. If the string length is less than 2, we will take the front equals to the string, or else we will take front variable. In front variable we will take the substring where the substring would be 0 and count two numbers after two characters after it, and after everything is done we will return front plus the string and then again the front, means the two characters in front and after the string that we have. So let's check the solution. If the solution is correct, it's taking too long. Okay, so you can see we have successfully run the program and it has passed all the tests that is given to it. So that's all for this video, and I'll try to give a link of the background problems video in the I button above. You can check it, and till then, goodbye, take care, and be sure to check the playlist where you will get all the problems. And okay, see you then.